Titan Medical Center is proud to offer its exceptional medical services and therapies to patients across the United States. Not just within our local community, we have established a nationwide reputation for unparalleled medical services, patient care, and therapies that allow us to provide our services to individuals in every corner of the country. Our team of highly trained medical professionals and specialists are dedicated to delivering personalized comprehensive care tailored to the unique needs of each individual patient. No matter where you may reside, Titan Medical Center has broken down the geographical barriers that once limited access to premium medical services. You too can become a Titan Medical Center patient without having to travel great distances or enduring lengthy waits. We will continue to invest in innovative solutions that bring the future of medicine directly to your doorstep, no matter where in the United States that may be. For more information about Titan Medical Center or to become a patient, call or text us at 727-389-3220 or visit us online at titanmedicalcenter.com.